Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to back up your entire iPhone to iCloud for free. If you're using any iPhone and you want to take a backup of your entire iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings. From settings, just tap on your Apple account name. It will open your account settings. And from here, you have to select iCloud option. Once you have selected, here you will get the iCloud backup status. Here, if you have any red dot or gray dot here, so it might be that your lost attempts and backup attempt will be failed or your device is offline. But if you have the green dot here, so it's mean that your device is successfully backed up. So if you haven't storage in your iCloud, so you can easily upgrade to iCloud Plus from here and get more with iCloud. You can easily get up to 12 terabyte of storage. Or if you want to get a backup, simply tap on iCloud backup, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled backup once you have, and here you have to select backup now option. Once you have selected, your phone will automatically back up to your iClouds. In this way you can easily back up your entire iPhone to iCloud for free. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.